Hey guys, welcome to another part of a series. Today we are going to be covering hybrid commands. Episode we covered slash commands, and we created this handler to automatically sync our commands so we don't have to do it. So now we're going to work on hybrid commands. Here's a quick brief view of sub commands. So what's what sub commands? Seriously, oh my. What was I going to say? Hybrid commands. So what hybrid commands do, they act as a normal prefix command and a slash command. I'll show you an example once we finish it. So this tutorial is going to be fairly quick and simple. So all you got to do is at commands, not command, or not command this time, hybrid command. I'm going to do parentheses, and then we can pass in parameters. So we got name, which is a string. We got, okay, right here. So name with app command. So I'm not completely sure how to do it, but it's a boolean, so it's gonna be true or false. And the last one, I'm pretty sure that's the only two actually. Or attributes. I don't think there's many attributes. You can look at the documentation for extra help, but all we're gonna do is name equals test. This is our test command, and I'm gonna also do a description despite the fact it won't work. Okay, now we are going to define the command. So asynchronize or async def or define, and we're going to do whoops to do okay, test, oh seriously, test, and then self, and pass in self, and then ctx. See, so hybrid commands utilize ctx and deny interaction, but I'm pretty sure that still means you can use app command or interaction like things. So you can import views or models. If you want to do views or models, I recommend just using slash command by itself, but hybrid commands are very great ways to keep organized and clean, as you cannot run a normal prefix command and a slash command in that same file. I don't know why, but if I find a workaround, I'll definitely mention it. So now that we synced or defined what the command function named, so test, we passed itself in ctx. Now we're gonna just simply do await ctx dot send. Then we're gonna do this command is both a prefix and slash. So now that we're all done, we could simply run the bot. I'll be back when it does so. Okay, so it ran utility cog and it synced one command. So the hybrid command with slash command parts have thing. So we can do help, and we will still see the test, meaning it is implemented and it works. So we could do at test. We should get a send message right after that, and it says this command is both the prefix and slash command. Now we can do slash test. Okay. Okay, earlier I was testing, so now the bot is probably confused. So let's just, I'll be right back to switch it up a little bit so it starts working and it thinks it's a new command. Okay, so I'm back. I switched up a little bit of the command so I don't get any errors. So this is new test. This is still the same hybrid. I'll prove it to you by doing new test. And it still says the same thing. And it says new just in case. Always gotta be precautious, right? So slash new test. and it works. So hopefully you learned something from this today. I hope this was pretty straightforward and you understood. There's many things you can do to improve this command, but I did this simply so you can get it, basic feel to it. Later, I will update it, advance it a little bit, have it more easy or maybe harder so people actually get practice with it. So, in general, thank you for watching today's video. If you did, please like and subscribe because I am serious about it and I'm serious, I guess. Well, have a good day or night and thank you.